Hey guys, Dylan here. I'm gonna do this hitch today. I'm not gonna waste any time with an intro I don't want to do and you don't want to listen to, so let's go. Hey guys, I went ahead and I removed this center rubber because that's the hole I want to widen. Since I'm using the other two holes, I want them to be as strong as possible. So I'm gonna widen this middle hole that I'm not using to get my pieces in there. I'm gonna round that off some more in order to get it up in there. Oh yeah, just like that. Slide that in there like that. And then it won't fucking work because fucking holes aren't big enough. Alright. That's made for the black ones, I guess. I don't know. I don't get it. Alright guys. You mess around enough and you'll get that bolt in there. Sorry I didn't get a picture of how I did it, but you can kind of just put it together in this hole and the small ones go in the front, the big ones go in the back. Small ones go in the front, the big ones go in the back here. Fuck using them little fishing tools, just do that. Boom, I got both these in there, just like that. Now I just gotta do the other side. And then I gotta throw it up there and throw bolts on it. Fuck it. I got it. There we go. Got them both on there. Now I just got to put my hitch on and put my bolts in it. Okay guys, the front ones get these spacers on them. You might need a helper. I'm going to try it on my own. Alright. The left side, one side has a muffler that'll hold it up. Will somebody give me a hand? I just need that bigger nut off the ground. I got the small one in my hand. I need a big one. Thank you. Good? Yeah. I got that one started. And this side's held up by the exhaust. Raise that up. I I gotta put my spacer in the front still. I'm gonna stick a nut back here. It won't fall off completely. Alright. Spacer in the back. This fucking in the wrong place. God damn. Yep, the big one goes in the back, the small one goes in the front. I'm gonna have to switch them. We got a hitch now. Yep, pretty well centered. Yep, good to go. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Did this hitch today. I'm gonna put a couple videos up over here. Check them out. I'd appreciate it. It's the best way to support my channel. Subscribing, it's free, and it's really helpful to me. So I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.